Alright, welcome back mwanchu mulini nomoteli nande karibu sana nsemo ni yetu ni Yagetembe katoka swa Singambo Yagetembe mambia bono tote binga ngoma tuno magani ya studio ngokwanera bwana Jared Urare maete karo litukoli kukia ndira mayanda mange taimanga na welcome bana ngakibwa kiri bya manene
mbia mwana maralia asante
ngakwa boke
na bokire bya onye na inumole bya studio
the very special way Matilda
mbia tolesana anjo abantu banyari barchache nakiba bokire
ali barchache mbia babogete
abantu bake umbu
ibeno senkorukoru wansi mbia bale makwani ngo batomera bono mambe ku Yagetembe TV
karibu sana
basi uri mwanchu mulili ngano motegereri katoswa sinkwa engamba yuti abono mambia ikingenchonga igendera kutobuati abali moto nyorasi mitandao shukrana sinjulu chabantabangiye kusiga mugo kuwanera uri muri kutulikira ujumbe onyorenga 0741583878 obigo 0726447367 chinambe chichira wazi tulikire ngasiga todi kubike comment yago remember to study your name elitalia unilinge nchene nekema uri mwanchu mitandao Yagetembe TV as YouTube Yagetembe TV as Facebook na byonsi bikoba bire ebyansu bana Jareda garatu kuligire mangana iga yabasaye na mangana opportunity nebintu bindo borayi babasaye nyari balinga ki mbi yabasaye bagendera
basaye ko nyari bali mbi yabale that's why twachira iga kwandira mangana yabasaye ase mangana leadership na ndende tunyale koru some insights gose tumanye tutayabasaye baitonke ndrete in the political space also na ndende in terms of opportunities chia sabasaye njiri chichira available elinde our youths banyale ko ba engaged because abange batebe bali sko basomete mbaranyo renting bobwati muntu kubwata koboko so it's good we share one or two ase ko enlighten abasaye baito in terms of kuba empower, in terms of mangana siasa, and in terms of maybe kunyora chikasi.
Katucha kali tagane kigema ngola ngimbale gali tuwa kwa niliyetalia gurua story mbale batamaiti nganju ningo nande na wanata Jared Urare etambulisha ningo nkioko kora nande ngaikwa rule mambia bono.
Ndia mono. Asa maretana nate bangor ku Jared Urare lakini abange bakondoka anju ngoro kurwase wodi ibene gotoka Nyaribari chache na ngotoka ali service y'umwishimo Zaire Janda una mwerani bwa mangana gose communications director abuna ngotoka na ndine remera mayana ngokora enda service ya Nyaribari chache.
All right. Ketukorera Nyaribari chache ayebuna communication director abasaye ba Nyaribari chache no tuguchakera politics and the youth leadership what is their space Nyaribari chache ya ile libaga basaye
actually mbia mwana asiri sole lumuralia ase Nyaribari chache for instance ase nkuru nchakera ali ase ngokore mirimo chini yobora bw'umwishimo Zaire Janda no ngotoka nande I can attest yabuna ase office yaito ya CDF na office ya in general office mujumbe actually the youths are taking up a composition ya youths as office area around 80%. Asaba bali bayire chikasi ali bakonya wale bitokuroro bakonya mujumbe gukora gishuguli cyaye go sabo bananje se constituency they are almost 80%. Iye kubuna no inche no musaende ni he believed in me akangemeremo. That's why I'm telling you this morning that from where I come from I say side ya CDF na side ya parliamentary tro chimwe tumujumba abwate CDF abantu mbara bako likwanda CDF na abantu mbara bako likwanda parliamentary service commission so ekaroko okoligerali from both sides abaside they take up to 80% of the available jobs ichiko serve abananchi ba Nyaribari chache so for me it's a good plus
Nyaribari chache
na korwa ase county ya Kisii ekero kuligiria abasaye bare meye county ya Kisii na bange buna wateba na bange basomete batabwatie mirimo opportunities inchiraroro ase serikali ya county na boigo national government
so one for instance Matilda you know imangana ya employment actually me I know employment is a global issue taliko se kale ere shida se Nyaribari go se Kisii go se Kenya it's a global issue and that's why maybe our leaders they are working around the clock to ensure at least these youths are empowered go se banyalira konyolege into bakora because yabange babo they have qualified bandi bachire to colleges, TVETs, universities, but it's evident buna bange babo mbaranyora kende bakora. And that's why roche bone serikali buna when we talk about the national government, no roche buna bone ba again tongere ba letri ko buna nyota program yego chiko aba sa chipesa chiko kore biashara ikoro buna business boost. Unapokunya raba sa mbele kwa biashara maybe umuntu akwate ko sene car wash biashara bikebike. So chiko ndenchira chiko it's not alone ere grant una serikali uchukua basae from every ward actually 70 youths are targeted. Last week we had a meeting leaders and the Ngaos from Wangwana, the national government, so they were telling us how the youths can secure this GPS of niche. 50,000 as a biashara, that's a lot of money. Na beko sukiumonto na beko mo boost in terms of business.
Eke tukwanera echi program ishige serikali koleta bunobono nyota program yalinge ne yabwango monobono yachire wetra soburayibu murayibu nso musike Dr. William Ruto. Andake asokora kwago program niga nguchi nkubwata ni abasaye bonsi na onye kubwata what is the procedure omusa wente ko yenekinga eligera nero gokero bokoreri obugabwe program na ndonyole chibesechi
mbe mona seri swali murada. So because we attended that seminar, it's a good program. From my side I can say ne good program ngia sabasa because it's so easy. Kerubate simino no smartphone go saka ya katururu you just dial 254 hash kwa ganda second to kubuna nyota program also project kerwa chirabo kwa select unabona se actually babwate categories ne babwate business support UHPS 50,000 ba uchi kwa grant alafu again apart from that babwate again una skills mono abasa ba uchi konyora skills choko bako trained wali bako kwa mangana ya bintu kunechika chama kono masonry skills carpentry. So once they have applied bono muna bono let's for instance the business support bako vouch by 50,000. So they had opened the portal yabo, but it was closed sometimes back and one you go to Moisonde ego chako ekoran mpaka the 12th. So once wa open there they will take you through. For instance bono balibare eligible maybe because you might think to what about
yes ngo bwana to apply nyote
abantu ba apply na basai of course from 18 years to 29 alafu ngo stretchire mpaka 35 ase balibare ba disabilities na ndekero bono ba disability you have to prove no want to tore card ya BWBs and then once you have applied mbabegete bitanga alingota yabali buna actually they are targeting the vulnerable youth buna balibona bageta form 4 and below. Actually so muntu takolite school enera bono this echinechi chibese chiko target mono
muntu korite osoete college akasoma kuchibusi utariko kwa apply nyota.
So according to what they have highlighted ali bagota abuna muntu chete university ko se college na abwate another avenue. So inu muntu lekebe konyoreka asiara aliku usinu muntu lekebe bonande konyora another means of empowerment, lakini mone yero it has eligibility ayere muntu get form 4 and below. Yeah.
And you work with the government as in visio omujumbe nande despite the fact no mujumbe ogomoske Zairu Janda no arase serikali ekero program ni ya nyota ego target abasai bale from between the age of we say less than 29 years okwagerita basaba bande no ena bakuri school batabuga timberemo montajire university agakoro trained tranyara mirimo barubono andake ngakibago konye kasemero buline ya serikali.
It's a good question umaita bono they were trying to focus umaite the people bako ba capture dikaiga no muntu mpaka kwanza muntu techete school muntu techete school most of the many times so konyo arabantaba asetayo yo bago feature they don't feature anywhere astay mbabu atimbe baranda school mbabu ateni skills they are just there. So that's why chipesa inandamona kerwa before bachiegu kwanda bale 4 days mandatory training bago chikote kunga kibako na savings kwanda before baye kuchipesa. So they were saying ase bari bakorete kwerende chisukuru mbabwate many chances unlike abande. For instance mune kwenenere ya very controversial in a way Hustler Fund nero it's created ebe asabantu kuna abone banda abande batari kunyara ko chikubaye ko batari eligible konyore chinde. And then also ase in terms of chi group no youth groups bono na sengor kurunyari bari ntubwate ekwende fund ende ku Uwezo Fund eraiga within the constituency bono the difference between Uwezo Fund na eye ya nyota ero mantene chibe soko yagu tulikuira ni interest go study kuira ni echire grant yako yagu ke go boost lakini bono asibuna ase Uwezo Fund chibe sechi chire interest free okwanda kwa yago gose tota benyo moko chenyene kundi mora abantu gose 5 mote ba inu maybe moko robo tuwe chingoko you are given let's say 200,000
yes
moko na mwako re biashara bino mwako robo tuki and then mko mole period mwachirani so once mwachirani na ndebone moko yago chinyinge moko mentu chinyinge mwa ndra kwa regasieni. So bono at this they are trying to preach the gap because abale batachi school mpaka bali they have no skills so they are never considered in any way unlike what bachi school. So that's why the fund is focusing on abangwa na bale vulnerable in terms
igona kuko tebanga andake no musaura nchetagara kibese chiga
yeah because uma itabono moralia kibese chire for instance they are trying a country idea but they capture 820,000 yes so nebe kerengo kete na ndibona tiri kuchikoba ko sebuna side gete kuchikonyora abantu bange ko sembali batari konyora bange one for instance una Kisii county ko sasa nyali bali ngoro me give you an example etubwate chi ward 6
yes
so nyote go demand that every ward etwale abantu 70. You understand? So 70 out of the 6 wards Bari, we are going to have 70 youths. And then also go focus para samangana gender balancing because about chikokora onye for instance as ngurube no eba youth ba tokira 70 as it is required 35 wako ba male 35 wako female. So they want it's a 50-50 for the gender balancing. Yeah.
Na nchira kibago chukutumika wachora basa baiga koseno musaya oli wa apply andake what if onyorenga abasa baiga ba apply abange babo tutebenga onye meto onye mbaigeti form for gochigoro semba city college probability abange babo kutoka ngamba manyeti kutumika na onye mitanda iga gochi apply ni gere igoro. What if bari ba apply te abango konyoranga mbali bakorire na bamba bwane tu apply abaiga batakeire mba apply umubarori obwanerete kose mba qualified.
So bono what happens first of all now what year soko apply it's so simple ogoda 254 hash ase egarwa chira abungo koleta bale nyota fund ngo bale something called women enterprise fund lakini bono asegencho for the youth nyota fund kwa genda kwa se business support for instance through just bale batete so once kwa chira abu bono gucho ikabale ba shortlist through chibono for instance batete nabakonyora onye ne ward ubona tole Kisii Central kwanyora nabakonyora abantu ba apply na 1000 bono ngo egento kilie kwenda uchikokoru eko random computer nero chikokora random go chagua those tari muntu gochikokore kwendo gochikochora eko random by the computer. So bali bako chikochoru for instance 70 ebako ba shortlisted. So once we are very shortlisted and then now they they will come physically bachibo mirama aba youth aba very shortlisted 70 and then bachikokora and screening. So because nabakonya umuntu nara ali chite maybe uligosine university akangainerali agateberata chite university. So that's why they were involving the ngaos and the chiefs so that giko chako kabone ngakieli omwebi umu chief nero rakonye ko tabo ni mama yatene kinyoro takuru nale vare nale bogo setali takolite skuru sana kolite. So once one ba very screen dinambeli anyore kandeli takeire kurwabono they will be subjected to a mandatory training ya 4 days kurwabona. After that I think next month as from start kisato panyola chivesa
igo tutebenga individual or apply.
Yeah, it's a
talikiombe gego.
Yeah, you're an individual youth or 18 to 29 years. Yeah, it's an individual application.
Alright, tumonchumo lelinga tulenere Anju Jared Orale ase studio kurugale ese bunge yenyeri bali chache una ogumo communication director gus omutendi bwa mangana bwerani abon mambiana katukulia mangana yaba sai mambia bono andake bwatekera likiago tomo chego tuikira se number 0741 583 0726 447367 tulikerengo ujumbe yago bono mambia kerangali ya ino musae ubwateli boli andake no nayo muntu manduka ndikumanya mangana iga ebo kole yobo igabwa abasaye n'obuwa kirikura serikali katonyo kwanera bono mambia lakini katokuligere amangana tukura skukura sense meyo yamangana yes
nya tara kora singane yiga Anju ni gore director ya communications no manyita mangana yogo pass information effectively lakini bono yatokanga omuroberi buno yigonyota abasaye mbali gwikira boniga batamaiti omuroberi yiga ningobonete wa apply a deadline ne chitariki 12 iyo biye kyagera we no muroberi bwa serikali nande musaye ndo ponsi abonete wa apply lakini communication breakdown era rase chi program ne chiga cha serikali people don't understand nkikibonete kokoro
so bono maite bono Matilda what happens information ya very that's why mwisonde mwarara kurende PSO yo telecommunication and broadcasting mheshimiwa Isaboke he had a meeting with the Ngaos was the chiefs the ACCs na the entire security team Korokisi County. So the main essence yoko twara chiefs asumo kutana munolia bali matera ubakorunsa ali binyorimi. So what they were going to be told information yeye banyire ase binyorime bachikokora jibaraza so that once ba conducted such barazas elinde bono baikire basaye bali batanya kuigwa manganaya because you know chiefs para muno bali binyoreme nande na bakorunsali and also they have tried ko beka manganaya se maybe no ene se metandao as on Facebook I've been seeing it happening there and other avenues cha social media but renda say in terms of kubeka mangana ase binyorime chiefs were there and the entire mangantuna ACCs and the rest kotema wike mangana ase binyoro
abarayi baitu bali bacholire andake elected leaders botali baga liabo ndiri gokonya basaba iga kwendeki umurubiri very successful
bia mono morale so bono the meeting that happened mwisonde we had abantu bakoruna our MCAs elected and nominated for Kisi County and then we also had ababunge representatives babo so bono these leaders are part and parcel of this program because no barabo eba konya bono go sensitize abana inchi because through tuna also MCS no bara from their various wards bara frequently bara say ground mangana buna chikanisa matanga so they are going also to sensitize these youths baba tena ya opportunity nerega ikabuna mangana ya nyota please apply so that monyo warechi chance.
All right. Na ekero tukuligereria ebone nsemiyende asobokoreri bwabasaye ne serikali atwaralire abasaye bagutumeka bobe sana bwana Anju andake sabara igete bacholire baganeti abasaye batumeka asukwenyorera kwa barayabuka for their own benefit gains basaye bagenda gusina sibatu nimesangirikano basaye barangiri gusasa mura igete kago chapa mwakereri ogi mura igete urita isaini. What do you think as a youth nando kuwaki ase amangana yobokoreri obwabasaye inki kiwento okolekana eligere gutanga inaleyembe
so bona abwaro it's quite unfortunate as abasaye ko tumeka in that nature because as of now moralia it's supposed to be a wake up call as abasaye bara isa bafa mangana yo kwanda ko tebi kuna ebono ko gusina misini kwa tebi genda segete utruba ni mukutano nyarebe genda segete ruturu muntu nyarebe magena genda segete rwani muntu because now as it is abasaye mwarona na mangana agency you know na gera NC ka change nga kino ningi to view mangana politics so bono intubuna abasaye ntubwateli bagali nena sana asoburai bwe NC ito ya Kenya no na asoburai bwa Kisi County na stokurukuru so that's why inchebono from my side enko acha abasaye bonsi na ki let's rise above gotumeka because okuno gotumeka obana ando maitege ntubuna kidekare kwa penu moralia one sigia konyorire nabokonyora nandi to konyora bokonyi because nabokwanda ase to chukuru wanonyore kwa wakiru nandi bono monyore na emichando naye kokobera ne family yao so asa mangano gutumika bobena ase kisiasa it has always been there inko igutule muna ngonya kwa muntu gakwanda kurwana ese gyo rumongi na gosomo gako most of them ngonya ora naba zabi ko
iliogi wake kerero
kwa manya kan tutu wala chinguru chegoro so bono ikyo nche from my side tali kento kiasa basae and that's not a good direction we should take as the youth because we ntobwate binte binge tora akora ase mangana siasa kubwa kwanda gutumika kurukuruta magana gosikukura na and that's why I'm urging my very youth mbaba abantu bakutumika because imagine you are given 100 bob ochuko kurwana usochuko ko monta magana usochuko turbani mukutano some that and you're not worth that 100 bob na bora nyora konyora majera maybe that's something that you uta deserve it. So nowadays we have seen youths bagocha bakonyara ko rise above ibintu bunebyo that's why roche no ebona igaba sae mbali interested with the leadership positions ngonya korora basae mbali patete ko boli birogo it never used to happen ibintu bunekale abasae bono bachakire kumanya their role go set their value as in the political space na ndabona ibintu bimuralie biko chikoba possible ase wetera mangana yo kwanda buna bono ko register because you know buna bono iga ntubwate registration egandrete ya IBC
yes
of which as of now the numbers are not appealing yani we had expected abasa baito buna IBC ko guruge system ko chakaiga torole bago flock
kobe the first
torole bago flock ebituo bya kwerende ebituo byechi polling station but yani as registration centers but that has not been the case and it's a worrying trend because it was expected yani ever chinamba chi shoot. So I'm also taking this chance ko batebi maybe ekerwanje tumuraige toro chiko sino na disavete tamu ya kabere and gose mura ote to make a change going to maybe Facebook, TikTok kulika una one time or two time it does not end there. What you need to do no kwanda se egetuo kia se chikura chiko kole kwende chiko bwatu over registered. So once you have registered bona abuna bukonyara kulika una one time or two time so mura yote tobeke ko muira
Anju anda keninkioro okagerete kiairira abaseba bire reluctant ko bwate kura aseboniga ikagere wiki akabere koera
ikendekana na matil dando chikegerete ebaro chimune period ye rorobado ne ntambe you know nando mate intubuna Kenyans go simno intoba gusi intona reta mangana ya rasha one go ikaliriko sate karta matukata to okora chira nchire igachintambe na andra mate rapa konyora je matukati gato sanata to chira ni chira chintambe konyora system ko overwhelmed onyona anda bantu banda bagosikerusko. So it's good we urge our youths to take these opportunities because ekarto to ararigeri data within across the constituency ngonyora na across the county we have witnessed abantu abana so far na bokonyora ase getuo abantu bakwenda babergo soyomo yeah unabona Nyamira asena ange kaberega chikwende chobe chigo ire lakini so far muntu akwanda yomo osea litukuri yaro muntu ataraenda ko ba registered as a voter
and I can totebenga maybe Anju abantu bakaneti some token for the same
that you want
and if so what do you think, what is the effect do you think?
I think morally what has happened
yes
so far I feel that maybe sensitization tera korubia
yes
that kila kindo cheke yani basaba mbarate okora I'm still thinking that most of our youth barara the essence yo kuchukubate kura because if they had seen it kangabono iga ebitu ebi floget and that's also and I'm taking this opportunity and then the question baraivaito bali bakora gichukura bali bare birogo also batumeke chance ye korari abasae elinda banyare kwenda ko register as voters because chikure china chitotakete and we need the numbers chabasae aba teba buno into to kure metandao yo karakine kero that's what kwa abantu abuna basae barabo ngakiye chikura you know you have been hearing this story
yes
ngakiye chikura into basae we are never seen okonyora gose ekero gose ne chikura chiri gose muna bono chiba elections chiri mutoiga okonyora ini irani abantu bale gose 50 umusaro yomo kwanyora deal dali na ubale
lakini kurumaika na ubagwa kelio
lakini bono kwanyora gose ni into metandao Facebook, Instagram and the TikTok etole ne dio gregor so that's a worrying trend. Maybe let's hope ne change ko chema tukaya mutu
na empowerment programs chaberichi korawa na serikali na korwa mokonyo bomrai bwense gocha na nde kira ensemo ngoranga omojumbe onyaribari chache umuske Zaire gotemale wikirana andake empowerment yiga yabera safasai
so
abasai babeire empowered apart from ekero tugotigachi program buna bono nyota empowerment iga yabereke okoreka ninga abangi na abasai.
Yes. So it's a good question morale. Bono buna ncha senguru nyali bali ndete ko highlight some of the empowerments na already cha na witness tuchakere amangana se sports asa amangana sports for the last 3 years amujumbe consistently for kero mwaka obeire gakobeka egekombe ky'umupira kero what millions kero mwaka at the end of the year ngobekale football tournament ego cover ladies and na bana baitu babamura elinde apart from kuba empower in terms of maybe monetary gosechibesa akoba empower in terms of talents na maybe imbaro konyora batari konyora chance umuntu ari talented lakini tare nyara showcase a talent ya so ase buna bono asenya ribari ekero twatwarete tournament yitu yarenga around what 5 million because I remember a team wentagane yanyorte 2 million ili yaenge yabamura gianchere yakabere kanyora around 1.5 yagatete kanyora 1 million and that it has also been that way all along because umaite bono ekero toko chakera ekero timu ko bwachi besa 2 million abachezaji bali total bale timu ase 22 ekero divide chipe na bonyora at least muchezaji nyora no 1100 is a good money orachakere biashara umuntu naboko ndokore no ne chimboli chiombe at least you empower yourself. So it has been a form of, apart from showcasing talent chabo, it's been a way of showcasing their talents. Unabona team nere yabwete mu yaba last mwaka ulioeta eba chiba chitumeka aseko chaka mangana yo botuki bwe chingoko and they are doing so fine as we speak. So from where I come from na mangana yaba abangwana buna abasai barase entertainment sector gose mangana buna abasani umushimo so he has taken that role abange babo bakonyira at personal capacity konya urumusani yago cyane motevinje nimbwata matera rega na yiga lakini tiri konyara ku access chibesa chi studio gose konyara ko kwanda ko soke matera so they are empowered abuwa say in terms of maybe capital ilinda banyara gukora mangana abo ya entertainment.
So generally obwa mate buha young people so basai na umura umujumbo nyari bali chache ngakiora batera generally
Mate bonere is a young person. Mujumbe is a young person and then I think is the first youth for MP to nyari bali chache so abasae they have always aligned themselves no mujumbe na ande ko batayari boire bunere is a young person na anda samangana aliako champion manene kabisa na mangana yabasae so because most of the things he has been doing no nyina sa mangana moralia sa mangana chibasari. For instance, unabaona chibasari asaba wanafunzi bali basoma nyariba chache bakuru nyariba chache basoma university mujumbe ga nyara ko ba chibasari each aso dio soma university 10,000. That never used to happen in Gurumaiga. Na bali basoma college bakayo 5,000. So he is trying to make sure that na sama somo abana babagendere ko uplift masomo abo elinde na barabacha ko konya sama tukale mutu.
All right. Matilda andake bali bakutubuga ati Matilda babiri batatu igabali kiregali esenso melinde kando chinsa chikomnyoka kirege no mambia taingo
Kevin Okombo agote bukoro chinse muchabo mwagamo eli mwache alivyo Freddy Brandt na Kefa Otiso guka wa ushago abonegati ya bari bakurika ujumbe ichabo kurende uyo wateri bori na bakobeka bo chinse mo cha Facebook na boigo chinse mo chire cha YouTube asokonyora umurobere gabuna Getembe TV.
Ando chagotenga Dennis olina agotoka kurachisa mochirichia kiamo kama watching a live listening byamono sana urale tukuigota mangana yumu kwanaga wasaye betome mbaga nyiriri bya serikali ga nando gweto mangoro kyole
Hey bibono ikia minute moralia tro chichipese chichanya otachiko chiko chabuna chinakwa na
liya wasaye mbase meli chok
because my one they are going to capture 70 from every ward.
Yes.
Na beko nyaleka nambale batachi ko qualify oba okay mbale bako cha apply lakini mba qualify maybe nabukia bako
osemba ba selected
mba shortlisted so na bono maybe nabwa bulendo mungwano yako kwanira ko baterende in as much as chinchiche batana batanya techo maybe nabawo etoma elsewhere ndi bona basaya
ndoji jume chiri chinyinge gaiga akina Jay Mogere ano ali miyomurobali akina Mungale kurwa chisemo chia Kiumbu. Asante listening Matilda na Urale bakuwa ni mura wanyalibali. Asante sana Mungale vyo sana tabuna watu waka. Shukrani. Ujiringa kijigo ikachisa isatu nkwantara sabangana maya ye radio emambia bono kulindekero ngantwira na Sol Matilda andaka libulisha sumurai atachi kukwana mangana yo mweli sege tuiche sabasaya na muno asamangana aiga jobo konyu bukori babasaya.
Anju bono kurwa sinsemo yane andake asi ensemo yega yobura yekero kurigereria mabirira na mange agesiasa agenderete boniga otatiga abasaye bono niko bararakanire nga mbali buya abasaye mbategererete bono gaturi kumanyanga nkaibaru abande bachakire kweruka honorable mapema inkyuranya ari gusangana abasaye
nje ketana ngusanga n'abasaye baminto morale Matilda bula to kwa litangani naki te abakuna abasaye baito ebagwikaye barabwiga siabo no gutumika asekoleta violence asoko cause no eme mwasi ya chi functions osokoleta chivurugu we are above that as a century ya bono it's high time asabasaye tonyale na into stand up kero tu stand up tunyale ko counted na ndo ko counted wetere vote na ndo tunyale ko tegereru wetera ku champion mangana ito ina good way na ndo te babona bunekero asingi turaba sae intubono tu bintu bito ko sekero tegete serikali to tegerere o sekero tegeta para iba tegere to ko bikora intamusu to ko bikora na fujo. That one is not the case. We have to champion mangana ito ina no dali way na ndo basaya bange no matemba somete so bona singi njumba somete they are capable of doing their ko ena na nabo uchiase no ena sabalai in a good manner in a systematic way.
Right, urale mbia mono sana Anju asoko wana intuboro mambia andake wangana uyo mweli chesa banyaliba halibonsi pi kwa jumura bono taliba saiboka numugusi generally
mbia mono murali asiri bageli nande asinge nchiye biro bye chinsa mbia mono ngubate asiri bageli mwangeli ndonya kwa na bantu baito bagusi na bakenya bonsi nche mangana nangote y'abantu baito kwanza asinge nchoncho numusaye itanga ningo segeta abasaye baminto banyale wesoke asobunge banyale ko registers voters because chinamba chito twarire chinamba cha bali bako chiko register chabere chinke mono and they are worrying us so to soke kurwa semetandao to so ya se bituo ase registering centers elindo nya kubada chikura so that we can make that change to target so that we can also vote in abara bali to target again to kende kya kaberna ngote abantu baito bonsi tikatoka ndego twaro murembe twanchane na matukonsi to support ya serikali ilinde serikali no bintu biko to komurali.
Asante.
Ebengia
no agwa sako de tu beti
support ya serikali
umaya serikali nere bwate bintu Matilda
umaitere ilitala kama cha gukura kulikuwa na noma
serikali nere bwate bintu nere bodo umaya
all right
no bintu biko toka na otogwa ndo saba maganda kuru.
Sante umuchimuliri bya mono sana gwikiraga gundo chenga bikogenda buyakigma unyolenga nyuma ya magana maya sensema radio abadaye umugaka nkorongo chaligega na request hour saura yunge kegema ayo mwenyene emambi ya bono tegerusa ngamo ensemble yende yura kurunga Lucas Mugaka Willis Mike no alegali kigma karubi kunya kwa bibi ansu trakole tuani kolende ngolo enda train tuna Matilda asinini asebono Matilda your last word
Anjo akwani abasa
abantu barana na rondo ntajite ko bakwani ngonkora bare ambare to kana barabwa service ya Kiumbu no musubati na roko kubeti nyangu ka korubirongo anje agonte bunere mambi botambe go ikati unini gatembe eli because chisho chine chire chingia ibona mukwani libeti korubirongo amona bari to kora kamona barubwe gasira service ya Kiumbu bonsi amona maiga to koira sumo jumbo nyari bali chacho mwishimwa zairi abasaye bonsi bakorube na senkoru n'abanyali bali bonsi bya mono nande nabakwandri mambi yabona
mbiyabona sana nchengoro kwa Matilda oboigo oyo nanji orare gose Jared eliotari ya official
Jared orare
uikiraga buru mwachubulili bye bye nchengoro kwa Geoffrey onsarigo tubaisukusuka request awangochere.
Enyagitari ya Medford Hospital nigo egokurareria eklinike kya Neurospine gusegete kyo mugongo goika obongo tariki 11 mutinyi 10 umukoyega asenyagitari yeye ere asepara ya Kisii Referral Hospital Road mbarigererie asechinse mu kikubwatya yagita abarwaire bari babwate brain tumor, stroke, epilepsy, multiple sclerosis, sleep disorders, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, naboigo other dementias, migraine, naboigo omutu watirioka, neuromuscular disorder, traumatic brain and spinal cord injuries. Consultation fee